Hello friends, welcome to Feather Kid. In today's video, we will make very easy chewing toy for our feather kids. We all saw different kind of bird toy, but why bird need toy? Why toys are so important part of their life? Birds are very intelligent animals. In wild, they spend a large amount of time to forage for food. And when they are not searching for food or not resting, they play. But in cage or captive life situation is totally different. Every time food is in food bowl, small area to roam, that means less activity, which can lead to obesity as well as mental and behavior problems. They scream or they can pluck feather. Toys help our bird to fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to chew, shred, tear, climb, jump, or solve a puzzle and get reward. By this way, they stay active and receive exercise. Bird toy are means to destroy by birds. It is very important to change them often to keep our feather kids entertained. But bird toy are mostly expensive. Not all local pet store have bird toy. And we always worried about the materials which used in bird toy. Is it good? Is it made of natural materials? Making your own bird toy can be beneficial because you know what your bird like best and this can assure that the toy will not waste. Advantage of making your own bird toy is that you know exactly what the toys are made up of harmless materials. So without further delay, let's start to make a toy. For this we are using fenugreek plant stem. Normally we use fenugreek leaf for cooking and discard the stem. Now using the stem we will make the chewing toy. First we wash the stem, then spread it on a paper and let it dry under sun. After dry, it will look like this. Now we need some jute rope and a scissor. Take some dry stem and give a shape like this. Don't fold it too much. Now take some more dry stem and wrap it like this. It look like ball. Take jute rope and put a knot like this. Wrap it tightly with jute rope like this. Put 2 to 3 knot tightly. And here our chewing toy is ready. Keep the jute rope length according to your requirement. This simple, super easy chewing toy has some extra health benefit as it make using fenugreek which have medicine property. Fenugreek help to control blood pressure, good for digestive system and heart. This toy is made from 100% natural thing. So this type of toy is best for our feather kids. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you soon.